Rivers of India quiz. An entertaining quiz to check your knowledge of India's rivers.
You get 10 seconds to answer each question.
Your first question. Which is the national river of India? Your time starts now.
Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock.
And the answer is the Ganga, also known as Ganges. Key points about the river. 1. Origin. The river originates from Gomukh at Gangotri Glacier. At its starting point, it is known as Bhagirathi. At Devaprayag, Bhagirathi joins Alaknanda. From that point onwards, it is known as Ganga. 2. Main tributaries: Ramganga, Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, Mahananda, Yamuna, Tamsa. 3. Distributaries: the Ganga forks near Farakka in West Bengal. One channel flows through West Bengal and is known as Hooghly. The second channel flows through Bangladesh and is known as Padma. 4. States through which it flows: Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. 5. Important towns on its banks: Rishikesh, Haridwar, Kanpur, Prayagraj, Varanasi, Mirzapur, Balia, Buxar, Patna, Chhapra, Bhagalpur, and Kolkata. 6. Length: 2,525 kilometers. 7. Endpoint: Bay of Bengal. Your second question. Name the river on which Majuli, which is one of the world's largest river islands, is located. The river is also known for tidal bores, which are rapid changes in water levels during tidal events. Your time starts now.
Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock.
And the answer is the Brahmaputra. Key points about the river. 1. Origin: Chemayungdong Glacier in the Tibetan Plateau, where it is known as the Yalang Sangpo River. 2. Main tributaries: Lohit, Dibang, Teesta, Manas. 3. States through which it flows: Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. 4. Important towns on its banks: Dibrugarh, Tezpur, Guwahati, Jorhat. 5. Length: 2,900 kilometers, of this, 916 kilometers is in India. 6. Endpoint: it joins Ganga Padma River in Bangladesh and flows into the Bay of Bengal as the Meghna River. Your third question. Name the river which flows through Karnataka and Tamil Nadu and on which the famous Krishnaraja Sagar Dam and Brindavan Gardens are located. Your time starts now.
Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock.
And the answer is the Kaveri. Key points about the river. 1. Origin: Brahmagiri Hills in Karnataka's western Ghats. 2. Main tributaries: Kabini, Bhavani, Noyal, Amravati, Harangi, Hemavati, Shimsha. 3. States through which it flows: Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. 4. Important towns on its banks: Mysore, Srirangapatna, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur. 5. Length: 805 kilometers. 6. Endpoint: Bay of Bengal. Your fourth question. Name the river that originates in the Tibetan Plateau and on whose banks rose a famous ancient civilization. Your time starts now.
Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock.
And the answer is the Indus. Key points about the river. 1. Origin: Tibetan Plateau near Lake Mansarovar in the vicinity of Mount Kailash. 2. Main tributaries: Enskar, Chenab, Jhelum, Ravi, Beas, Sutlej. 3. Union territory through which it flows: Ladakh. 4. Important town on its banks: Leh. 5. Length: 3,180 kilometers, of this 1,114 kilometers is in India. 6. Endpoint: Arabian Sea. Your fifth question. Name the river on whose banks the majestic Taj Mahal is located. Your time starts now.
Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock.
And the answer is the Yamuna. Key points about the river. 1. Origin, Yamunotri Glacier in Uttarakhand. 2. Main tributaries, Hindon, Tans, Chambal, Betwa, Sindh, Ken. 3. States through which it flows, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and Delhi. 4. Important towns on its banks, Delhi, Agra, Mathura, Prayagraj. 5. Length, 1,376 kilometers. 6. Endpoint, merges with the Ganga River at Triveni Sangam in Uttar Pradesh. Your sixth question. Name the river which is also known as the Ganga of the South and on whose banks a Kumbh Mela is held every 12 years. Your time starts now.
Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock.
And the answer is the Godavari. Key points about the river. 1. Origin, Brahmagiri Hills near Nasik in the Western Ghats in Maharashtra. 2. Main tributaries, Pranhita, Manjira, Purna, Pravara. 3. States through which it flows, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh. 4. Important towns on its banks, Nasik, Nanded, Rajmundry. 5. Length, 1,465 kilometers. 6. Endpoint, Bay of Bengal. Your seventh question. Name the river on whose banks the Sardar Sarovar Dam is located. Your time starts now.
Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock.
And the answer is the Narmada. Key points about the river. 1. Origin, Amarkantak Plateau, located in Madhya Pradesh. 2. Main tributaries, Sher, Tawa, Kolar, Barna. 3. States through which it flows, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra. 4. Important towns on its banks, Jabalpur, Hoshangabad, Maheshwar, Omkareshwar, Bharuch. 5. Length, 1,312 kilometers. 6. Endpoint, Arabian Sea. Your eighth question. Name the river on whose banks the capital of Chhattisgarh is located and which flows through Cuttack and Paradip. Your time starts now.
Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock.
And the answer is the Mahanadi. Key points about the river. 1. Origin, Sihawa Hills in Chhattisgarh. 2. Main tributaries, Sionath, Hasdeo, Jong, Ong, Tel. 3. States through which it flows, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. 4. Important towns on its banks, Raipur, Sambalpur, Cuttack, Paradip. 5. Length, 851 kilometers. 6. Endpoint, Bay of Bengal. Your ninth question. Name the river that originates in Mahabaleshwar, flows through 4 states and on which Sri Sailam and Nagarjuna Sagar dams are located. Your time starts now.
Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock.
And the answer is the Krishna. Key points about the river. 1. Origin, Mahabaleshwar in the Western Ghats in Maharashtra. 2. Main tributaries, Bhima, Musi, Koyna, Tungabhadra, Panchganga, Ghatprabha. 3. States through which it flows, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. 4. Important towns on its banks, Sangli, Mahabaleshwar, Sri Sailam, Vijayawada and Kannur. 5. Length, 1,400 kilometers. 6. Endpoint, Bay of Bengal. Your 10th question. Name the river, whose name brings up images of deep ravines and feared bandits. It is also the home of gharials, a feared crocodile species. Your time starts now.
Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock.
And the answer is the Chambal. Key points about the river. 1. Origin, Janapav Hills near Mho, in the Vindhya ranges of Madhya Pradesh. 2. Main tributaries, Banas, Mej, Parbati, Kali Sindh, Shipra. 3. States through which it flows, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh. 4. Important towns on its banks, Kota, Dholpur. 5. Length, 1024 kilometers. 6. Endpoint, merges with the Yamuna River at the Trai junction of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan.
If you enjoyed the quiz, then please like, share, subscribe to the Fables and Riddles channel for more such informative and entertaining videos.